To arm areas, tap the shield in the middle of the keypad. Tap Arm. Arm individual areas by tapping each area. Once the desired areas are selected, tap Arm Selected, or tap Arm All to arm every area no matter the selection. The countdown will begin. If you need to stop the arming process, tap Enter Code to cancel. Enter your user code and the system will not arm. Tap Arm Instant to skip the countdown and instantly arm all selected areas. To disarm areas, tap the shield in the middle of the keypad. Tap Disarm. Enter your user code. Disarm individual areas by tapping each armed area. Once the desired areas are selected, tap Disarm Selected, or tap Disarm All to disarm every area no matter the selection. Your areas are now disarmed. If you have any questions, contact us today